Alright, good day guys. Welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now let's see what GBP will give us when market opens. Once again, subscribe to this channel if you have not to stay updated. Let's see what GBP USD will likely give us once the market opens, which is on Monday. So I will still be expecting one more pullback. Then another movement is what we should be expecting. Because when you take a look at this, our overall trend is still a downtrend, but this our current movement is giving us changing move. So this is our first high, this is our higher low, this is our second high, this is our higher low, second higher low, this is also our third high, and we should be seeing this is the higher low playing out, and then we should be expecting another higher high on GBPUSD. So the higher low is still playing out. Expect the higher low to play out finish. Then you can now expect a new higher high. GBPUSD, we should see expect the bullish move. If it does that, above all, we will still be above all. Our overall trend is that we will still expect that sell. Probably possibly if it pushes up, likely to give us more sell. Let's see what market does. Then I'll give you guys the updates. All you just have to do is subscribe to stay updated.